Get the spaghetti out, they're coming.
Where is my papusas?
Salty Angels.
There they are. Right above Fat Albert.
Look at the one at the bottom.
Hello!
Look at these guys.
Crisscrossing. Oh, they got caught up in the jet blast. That's why they did that.
No, they did that yesterday too.